So you start with a loop on your hook. You're going to chain 2, okay? That's how this starts. You're going to go back into the very first chain. You're going to pull up a loop. Okay, we're going to consider this as the bottom part of the stitch. You're going to pull up one more loop. That is the side part of the stitch. If you notice, we kind of have a square here. Okay, can you see that? Kind of a square. Kind of a square here. All right, and then you're going to yarn over and go through 2. That finishes off your stitch. So you have 1 single crochet. All right, now the next part. If you look at your little square here, we've got our top, our bottom, our side, and our side. Down here, we have kind of like a chain, okay? So we're gonna go under that chain. So you should be going under two little loops, okay? Gonna yarn over and pull under that one. That makes our chain for the bottom of our single crochet. Then we yarn over and pull through 1. That makes the side of our single crochet. And then I'm going to finish it off by pulling through 2. So now we have 2 single crochets on our hook. All right, so we've got the first chain, the second chain. We're going to go through that chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. That's the chain for the next single crochet. That's the side, and that finishes it off. So each chain has like 3 loops that you're pulling up basically. So you go through the chain of the first one, bring up your chain, and then the side, and then you finish it off. There you see we've got these pretty little single crochets. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 10 of them. Okay, so just keep going. 1, 2, 3. That makes 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. And I want you to notice how it's starting to curve. That's okay, it'll straighten back out, but if you want it to be more straight, when you go for your first chain, let it pull out a little bit more. Okay, you see how that loop's a little bit bigger than this one? And that'll help you even it out. Forgot what number we're on now. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we just finished. All right, there's 10. All right, and like I said, you can straighten it out if it starts to curve. That's not a big deal.